Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get a list of numbers on your Excel spreadsheet. So let's say, for example, you want a list from 1 to 10 or 1 to 100 and you don't want to do it manually. Then let me show you how to do this. So here on the first cell, you want to go ahead and type in equal, sequence, open bracket, and then you need to type in how many there are. So I've got 10, I've got 9, close bracket, and then press enter. So now as you can see, it has pre-filled everything from 1 to 9, and it has now given me a list of 1 to 9 on my spreadsheet. So there you go guys, that is how to get a list of numbers on your Excel spreadsheet.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and